What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video we're going to review a brand new course which is called 20K Extra. You heard that right, that is $20,000 extra, and I'm going to do this a no-brainer for you because I'm going to include a unique bonus package here. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this, the members area, and as I said, you're going to see how you can get instant access for a unique bonus package here also. What you need to do is stay with me, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information here regarding 20K Extra. With that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a little bit here at the sales page first, and first I'm going to scroll down a little bit and show you about the creator. This is Kevin Fahey. I'm in Kevin's coaching group here, and that's how I finally managed to create my first course online. And I can vote 110% for Kevin, whatever he puts out, because whatever Kevin creates as a course, he actually uses it in his daily online business life. So it's not that he just came up with it and created a course about it, because this is what he actually is doing in his daily online business life. He always creates step-by-step, watch over my shoulder style videos. That's what I like about it also. So it's not theory, it's more practical. All you have to do is just follow along there. So that is about Kevin in his coaches, and so that is about Kevin and his courses. And if I go back here, let's have a look first a bit about in the sales page here, and then we are going to have a look at the members area. All right, so you can see here that this unique, never revealed before internet marketing system added $20,000 per month to my bottom line. All right, this will work for you whenever you are an accomplished marketer or a complete beginner. And you can see here that this is a unique system to start and scale your business. 100% beginner friendly, anyone can make this work, and I'm going to make it a no-brainer for you even if you are totally new for this. It takes no more than a couple of hours per day. This is a step-by-step training, as I said earlier here. So this is for both beginners and advanced marketers also alike, and no tech skills or experience is needed here. So first he backs it up. You can see some testimonials and screenshots here that he got some proof. Okay, there you go. So scroll down a little bit. You can have a look at this for yourself actually, because I want you to have a look, of course, at the sales page at your own pace later on here. And he explains a little bit on how the number one reason why people fail here. Okay, so this is definitely something you need to pay attention to, and of course that is why he also created the 20K Extra here, and that is to help you out to earn your own 20K Extra here. Okay, so first what you're going to get here, we're going to see, as I said earlier here, the members area, but let's have a quick look here first. You're going to get the step-by-step video training, the 20K Extra case study, the tools and resources. So everything is covered inside here. Okay, and you can see here that this is the fastest system for growing your online business. All right, here are some testimonials also for people, well-known marketers that has seen the course here, got access to it. And of course you need to grab it right now because it is a limited time offer. The price is going to get up there. So here are some bonuses that you're going to get also. You're going to get some bonus affiliate marketing training, private mastermind group. This is more value than anything else in my opinion, because you're going to get stuck somewhere and you need help, and Kevin is very, very helpful and answers all the time inside the group there. I am a member there also, and I see it all the time. So this is why I think that this is probably the most important bonus that you're going to get actually. And of course you're going to get a 7-figure entrepreneur book bundle here also as a bonus. Let's go inside the members area here so I can show you what it is you're going to get exactly. So this is how it looks in the members area. We can start off here. You can have a look at it right here, or you can scroll down. As always, Kevin has a well organized area here. So it starts off with the introduction, module 1. This is the core in this training. It is module 2. You can see here the 6 modules, the worksheet example, getting your data, managing personal accounts. I'm going to show you inside one of these videos also, okay? Personal tips. Then we have the affiliate marketing blueprint training, and look at this, only this module has 18 videos about affiliate marketing. We're going to have a look at this also, and of course we have the product creation training, which is 10 videos, 4 hours training, and 15 minutes and 11 seconds. All right, so if I just go inside the module 2 here, you can see it starts here with plugging in your numbers, and this is 100% truth, guys, because you need to plug in your numbers there. No matter if you're running an offline business, an online business, you need to know your numbers. That is how you succeed. So he shows you everything in a step-by-step way here. I'm just going to play a little bit here.
And mid-ticket launches. Right.
So you could see here, I'm not going to play it, it's not fair actually to show all the details here, okay? But this is how it looks, and you can see here, as I said, well organized. Here is how you can download your own spreadsheet. You go to Google Drive, and of course this is how it looks. You download it, and what you need to do is plug in your numbers here so you can get started right with your 20K extra here. All right, this is another one, personal accounts planner. So you can see that he goes a step beyond without it's not only about the online business and a quick fix and something like that. This is where you need to set everything right for you, okay? Let's go back here and see in the members area. So as I said, you can also go here to the top section. The module 2, as I said, was the core in this training. Then we have module 3. Let me open this up in a new tab here. And look at this, okay? This is a standalone affiliate marketing training that covers everything you need to know on how to succeed with affiliate marketing. Okay, you can see here, it starts with picking the right product, planning the promotion there, making connections, creating your bonus page, your blog post. Everything is shown inside here. Only this is a standalone course. And then we have, of course, the product creation training. So it totally depends on what you want to get started with or what you want to focus on. Or if you have got started with affiliate marketing and you want to get with product creation, you can do that as well. So no excuses really. Look at this. Set up a sales funnel, your JV page, how to launch your product without JVs, how to maxing out your promotions, leveraging profits. This is also product launch calculator, so you can calculate your budget there and see exactly how much you can profit from a product launch. So really no excuses, okay? You just pick whatever you want here, affiliate marketing or product creation. And then of course there is the extra bonuses section. Now these are some upsells here. Commission 5 is something that I had done a review in the past. Here is how you can get 10x traffic. The IM checklist is another one, very good. And the IM VIP training, if you get into this, you're going to get... it's really hard to describe, but there is so much training inside this actually. You're going to get busy for the rest of this year actually. So you don't need any other training. I have access to this and this is amazing. But it totally depends on your budget. I highly suggest you to have a look at it when you're going to get to see the upsells here. Whatever you feel that your budget covers, I can vote for it 110%. This is really, really super awesome training that you're going to get here. But as I said, have a look at it. If you want to get started with 20K, you can do that as well and upgrade later on. All right. So by the way, let's see here, the front end starts at $9.95 and it goes up to $12.95 when the launch is over. Then it's going to increase. We have the commission 5 here for $14.86, and as I said, have a look at the details for yourself later on for the upgrades, whatever you are interested in. But I'm going to include, as I said, my unique bonus package here. And this is my unique bonus package that you're going to get. This is daily list profits. My method on how you can get started as a totally new to make your $100 plus per day. You can see here I made $420 in net profit with exactly what I'm teaching you inside my course here. This is about affiliate marketing and email marketing. Of course, the number one thing that you should aim for is building a list. And you heard the phrase, the money is in the list there. And this is exactly what I cover here, okay? I show my case studies here. This is an earlier, the first one I did in 2018, and this is the later one. I'm showing you some affiliate networks that you probably have never heard of before. Those are private networks that you can get started to promote. Everything is covered inside here on how you can get started with this method that I'm sharing inside here. But I'm going a step beyond here, okay? You saw earlier that I sell my course for $27 and I have my pro version. This goes for $97. I'm going to include this because, as I said, I vote 110% for Kevin's course, and you don't have any excuse when you get this, okay? Because this is, I cover everything here. These are step-by-step, watch over my shoulder style tutorials here on how to purchase your domain, hosting, installing WordPress. This is how you can set up your own business in a box, okay? How you can set your own business. And I cover only I think there are 4 different affiliate networks here. Amazon, Warrior Plus, everything is covered inside here. ClickBank, how to set up your autoresponder. So this is a no-brainer, guys. I mean, seriously, think about it. You're going to get this as a bonus if you grab this for $9.95, okay? 20k extra and my unique bonus package. You don't need anything else at all here. Alright, I think I covered everything you need to know about 20k extra. I'm going to leave a link below here. When you purchase it, you're going to get my bonus package delivered to you in your email box, of course. I'm really looking forward to see you succeed with 20k extra, and I'm looking forward also to see you inside my members area if you grab this through my link, of course. Click the link below now, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.